across the land. I walked into the daylight with my soul in my hands. I search for answers in the dark, but every question leaves a mark. Not on the world, but deep in me, where nothing else can ever see. There is a place beyond the name, where joy and sorrow feel the same. A quiet space behind the skin, where everything begins within. I needed out a light to guide me through the endless night, but now I see it was always here, a whisper only I can hear. Can you feel it in your chest? A truth that never needs to rest. Can you hear it soft and low? To be truth hidden in the deep, where only awareness can keep. Speak low and clear, I am finally here. Stay close still, beyond all fear and will. Truth rise slow, let the inner river flow. Voice shine bright, I become my inner light. between all life and death. We are silence, we are sound, we are nowhere yet profound. The voice fades, but we remain awake inside the inner flame.
White moon on the hillside, silver on the stone. The night felt wide enough to hold what I had known. I stopped trying to heal, I stopped trying to change. I sat beside the silence and let it say my name. The moon did not speak loudly, it didn't need to shine. It simply stayed beside me until I softened inside. All the things I carried began to lose their weight, like leaves returning gently to the river they escaped. Stay soft, stay near, nothing has to disappear. I sat with the moon, and the moon sat with me. No lessons, no answers, just space to be. I sat with the moon till the shadows grew light, and everything I feared melted into the night. The drums move like breathing, slow beneath the sky. Every beat a reminder, I don't have to try. The stars were not above me, the stars were in my chest. And for the first time in years, my heart could finally rest. I sat with the moon, and the moon sat with me. No lessons, no answers, just space to be. I sat with the moon till the shadows grew light, and everything I feared melted into the night. White moon slowly fading, morning in the trees. I carried home a stillness that never needed me.
Night falls slow, deep drums roll, a distant fire inside my soul. No more noise, no disguise, only truth behind my eyes.